Alright, meeting up 4 rigs today. All Toyotas. Ha? Oh, good morning.
Morning. Dala mo, mabili pa.
Oh, si Daddy andyan.
Hi guys, today we're at AOAA. Let's go off-roading. Follow.
Alright, we're airing down to 25 psi. Testing it out at 25, maybe adjusting it to 20 later. Let's see how it goes. We're just doing green trails. 101. Penny's Hill. Oh. We're back to trail 101.
Go in the puddle. I want to go in the puddle.
Yeah.
Fast, fast, fast.
No, no, we can't go because it's very rocky.
Oh, in front it is. At the end, it's really bumpy.
Okay, Sunoco gas line. Should be in there then. Nasa akin yung mga phone nyo.
isa sa langit. So, apa siya? Ay, bakit? Ang GoPro.
Papa, they're all the way up ahead of us.
Yeah. In 100 Green Trail still.
Papa lang to.
So, nasa western tayo.
Western Trail 100.
100. Western. 5. Where are you now? 115.
We're at 115. What is that? Whaleback Mammoth Scenic Overlook.
This is Mama. Mama. Papa. One.
Lapit na! Ayun na! Whaleback. Come on.
Maybe the saving my hand is for a long walk.
I guess that's the whaleback. Right, that's the back of the whale. That's why they call it whaleback. It's right there. You see it? Come here.
I'm going to say
Yeah,
that's
come
my
here.
big
Look,
friend.
you can see it right here. Right there. See? The back of the whale. You see it, Yaya? Right there.
So big.
Oh, there's another one.
Connect Lala, connect muna kasi. Tumulit.
116. Hindi tayo sa 116.
Scenic Overlook 124.
Wait, I'm not here. Think your car's faster? Mine's faster.
lang. Pasok! Kaya! Kaya yan! Kaya! Di pa!
Lalong, no?
Forward!
Lalong.
Walang atrasan! Walang atrasan! Alanganin ba?
Last!
Atras! Siya may win siya.
Atras!
Gatlong. Gulong.
Go! Diba?
Gulong yan, sige.
Driver side. Wala na. Kaya. Go. Galing ah. Go. Galing. Woo!
We are in Puddle Road. Yeah, there's no going around the puddles.
Zooming. Papa, can you put your phone down and make it? Papa, can I make the video of you? Can I make the video of you?
Oh no, you can't go over you can't go around the puddles.
That was not bumpy for him. Can we? Papa, can we make a big splash?
No, we can't because it's very rocky.
No, over there. It was not bumpy for him.
It's very rocky.
I watched him and it was not bumpy.
It's very rocky.
Watch.
Look,
You
see
say the
that?
truck is doing like that, car,
Yeah.
it's bumpy.
Just a little fast.
Oh, we're talking about the side.
Oh!
Atras! Sabit differential mo lang. Differential sumabit.
Siguro, Jo, babantiyo mo sana dito.
Hindi sabit siya eh. Baka tapa ka din sa duwa ka bato lain pagbaba mo.
Differential, ha?
Yung duwa ka batoy paakyat mo duwa mo ka gulong dyan sa duwa malaki atras ka doon no. Dikit ka din sa side no. Aba na ginawa ko inakyat sa duwa ka bato nga dako. Diyan ka sa kabila. Atras ka dikit ka dito. Okay ka lang?
Atras konti lang.
Sikit. Tong sa duwa ka batong gulong mo. Balik. Okay. Hindi na kaya. Sige, balik.
Yan, pwede na yan. Hindi, kaya na yan. Katungtong siya sa bato. O, sige.
Kaya.
Akyat! Bumba! Ano to? Take 2 since what year?
Ha?
Take 2 niya to eh. Inano namin dalawa to dati.
Pwede pa ganito to.
Yeah.
Yun, pangit na talaga.
Oh. Ayos lang, diretso yan. Sa tingin ko diretso yan eh.
Sige.
Sige, diretso mo lang. Pwede mong i-passenger ng konti. Passenger mo konti.
Yan, tama.
Ayan, sige.
Natingnan ko lang dito. Saan mo sa likod baka.
Ayan, sige, diretso lang.
Yan, tama.
Keep going. Okay. Ayan, nakababa ka na. Oh, nakababa na. Stay that way. Sige. Ayos. O, nakababa na. Parang diretso tingin ko eh. Ayos. Akyat ka naman. Akyat naman, atras. Oh, matras oh. Oh.
Kayang-kaya.
Kayang-kaya. Oh, ano pa? Okay na. Next time naman yung iba. Magtira ka naman. Ayos.
Ayos, dito lang. Tama ka, nag-slide ka na eh. Right. Style. Masyado ko mabilis. Dadaan ka lang.
Parang mas magandang passenger ka, hindi driver. Yes, i-passenger mo ng konti. Oo, konti. Passenger, hindi driver. Passenger. The other side.
Passenger, other side, right.
Passenger. Yan, diretso mo na yan. Diretso mo na, driver mo na. Driver. Three-wheeling ka. Puro ka, pasikat ka, three-wheeling, no? Pasikat. Ito mo kaya A-truck mo. Truck. There you go. See?
And then. Yan.
Parang wala ah. May kasama na pala ako overlanding eh.
Ayun. Sabi ko lang, yeah.
Medyo dahan-dahan. Slow. Alwan.
Nagmamadali.
Naiihi ka ba, hoy? Wag! Mabilis! Take it slow!
Parang ako atakihin ah.
Ako rin.
Hop.
Tumaas ba?
Kailan yan, full time, ano na yan, off-roading.
Sige. Ito lang. Ito passenger. Passenger Lyle. Sige, layo pa. Oh, aya. Ayos. Good. Kanan. Diretso, diretso.
Masikip sa loob. Pasok! Saan ka dito?
Dito ka o, dito ka o.
Pagilid.
Yeah.
Copy. Ano, diretso?
Driver.
O driver daw?
Passenger, passenger.
O passenger. Full third, passenger. Sige.
Okay. Nay lang, tandaan lang.
Dahan-dahan lang yung third para ano.
Saka, A-track ka na, no? Tandaan lang. Mag-driver ko din. Driver.
Driver?
Medyo ano ito lang.
Diretso lang. Diretso.
Parang naman sementado eh. Parang wala naman eh. Atras ka ulit.
Next.
Ayos.
Oh.
Driver.
Eh ngayon, gusto ko na talaga ibenta. 21. Bumaba ng 25 kasi ayaw ko pa eh. Ano,
Oo.
ganun pa. Sige na, benta ko lang 21. Wala pa kumakagat.
Wala pa.
Wala pa nakakita. What happened?
Atras sa driver. Sabay driver.
Oh. Konti lang.
Okay. Sige. Passenger.
Tumama sa ano.
Ito. Oh, too much. Driver.
Driver, more.
More, driver.
More driver.
Left turn pa konti. Yan.
Sige, diretso lang. Diretso pa.
Yun. Go. Op.
Lalay ka lang sa pedal.
Paborito namin dalawa to eh. Sangit po na.
I think our hedge has turned.
Sa mga ATV, upaya na kay Mubo. Pwede. Sangit ang bili.
Get him back up.
There's a little bit of rain coming in. It's around 4 p.m. I don't know where we're at. 6 and 6 pink. I think that's it for the day or for this video. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 5 rigs total.